Want to access your cPanel in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. First, log into Hostinger. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once there, click on Login and enter your email and password. Next, navigate to the hosting dashboard. After logging in, go to the hosting section in your account. Then, click on the domain or hosting plan you want to manage. Now, let's access your cPanel, hPanel. Scroll down to the Website section and click on Manage next to your hosting plan. You'll be taken to the hPanel dashboard, which is Hostinger's version of cPanel. Once you're in the hPanel, you can start using the features. From here, you can manage your domains, emails, databases, and other settings. If you're looking for something specific like the File Manager or PHP settings, you'll find them easily in the panel. Want a discount on Hostinger? Check the description for my affiliate link to get an exclusive deal. That's how you can access cPanel in Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. See you in the next video.